What if you needed to tell someone exactly where you are, but you couldn't share your live location? Maybe you're hiking somewhere remote, traveling with little or no internet access, driving on an unfamiliar road, or dealing with an emergency. Your iPhone has a simple way to give someone your exact coordinates. Let me show you how. We're going to use the Compass app, but there is one thing you need to check first. Open the settings, then scroll down and tap Apps. Find Compass and open it. Then tap Location and make sure while using the app is selected. Also make sure Precise Location is turned on. These permissions allow the Compass app to determine your location as accurately as possible. Now open the Compass app, look at the bottom of the screen, and you should see your GPS coordinates showing your latitude and longitude. Those numbers represent your precise geographic location. Tap and hold the coordinates to copy them. If your iPhone does not allow you to copy them directly, there is another easy way or easy option. Take a screenshot of the Compass screen, then open the screenshot in the Photos and use live text by pressing and holding the coordinates in the image. You can then copy the text. Once you have the coordinates copied, open messages and choose the person you want to send them to. Paste the coordinates into the conversation and send the message. That's it. The other person can then copy those coordinates from your message and open either Apple Maps or Google Maps. They can paste the coordinates into the search bar and search for them. The map should then identify the location represented by those coordinates. This can be especially useful when you're somewhere remote or dealing with a poor connection. For example, if you're hiking or camping, you can send someone your coordinates so they know exactly where you are. If your car breaks down on a remote road, you can send those coordinates to a family member or roadside assistance. And if you're traveling somewhere unfamiliar or dealing with an emergency, having a simple way to communicate your precise location can save valuable time. So, this is definitely one of those iPhone tricks that worth remembering, even if you hope you'll never need it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical iPhone tips, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.